We are still in the Uti region, precisely Basa, and today we are visiting the Chabobo National Park in Nkwanta, 45 minutes drive away from Basa. I am going on this tour with my church members, the Church of Pentecost, Basa Lili District. Interestingly, we had some chief comrades who made the journey an interesting one. This was one of the comrades. This is another.
It's so very early in the morning and we are getting ready to set off. I'm here with my church members, and this is the bus. We are still loading up. Yeah, so it's going to be quite a journey.
When one of them was asked to pay his excursion fee, this is what he said.
Why? Wait for the time of God. Oh. What time is the best? Why are you after the things? Why are you after the things of the world? Why? Money.
There is a case to settle.
I know I'm going to shoot now.
We finally set off at about 6:50 a.m. These senior comrades were on it throughout the journey.
What
After about 50 minutes drive, we finally arrived at our destination, but we had to stop a few meters away from the Nkwanta town to allow some people ease themselves.
So we are here at the Chabobo National Park. It's a nice place because of the Harmattan. We are in the Harmattan season right now, so the place is quite dry, but it's so beautiful. So beautiful. And I'm here with my church members. They are those at the back there. Yes, those are my people. And right now, they have two major sites of attraction here. We have the Chabobo Waterfalls, and then we also have the Breast Mountain. And right now there's quite confusion right now because the guys who came here are saying that they want to go to the Breast Mountain. Yes, you know, guys, everything that has to do with breast here, we are in. Yeah, so the girls say they want to go to the waterfalls. The guys say they want to go to Breast Mountain. But our tourists and our tour guides are saying that because of the time we arrived here and the distance between the two tourist sites, it will be very difficult for us to explore both the waterfalls and the Breast Mountain. And so right now we are deciding on choosing one of them. It's either the Breast Mountain or the waterfalls. Yeah.
Breast Mountain.
What do we want? What do you want? Stress it. The stress word is what?
Breast Mountain water. Can I take water to Waterfall? I can buy water for Waterfall. I bought water for Breast Mountain. There's a decide well. If you don't decide well, we'll demonstrate right now. We will demonstrate for you right now.
It's Breast Mountain or Breast Mountain?
That's why me
I came because of Breast Mountain.
There is overflow of milk over there.
Yeah, the boys should.
We are not, it's not because of money. To ask for waterfall, you've seen a lot of them. Have you seen Breast Mountain? Where you are writing us up?
Do you know what they call Breast Mountain?
It's a mountain. How many mountains have you visited? You visited at least, if not anything. You know waterfall. It's for escape purpose. It's not because they say breast. It's because of this. All the Breast Mountain have been there. And the beach have been there. But for the purpose of learning, we are in 2022. 27 Breast Mountain.
Waterfall. Breast milk for. Now I said breast milk for.
We are going to Breast Mountain.
We are going to Waterfall.
Okay. No, have you seen any water standing? Every water is falling. Have you seen any water standing? Every water is falling. I will get water standing. I will go. Every water is falling. If you want to go to Waterfall, make you go to Passa. I will fetch water and pour it.
Even that part we are fetching.
We are going to Breast Mountain.
We are going to Waterfalls.
We are going to Breast Mountain.
Waterfalls are very.
Breast Mountain wa mo man share same time. Baby I'm matra.
I've never heard of that. If not for this excursion, no one can deny my access to that mountain.
I was supposed to be
I am going to there. I'm going to where I want to go. Not where you
no, are you not aware? Back at JJ, you were told that Breast Mountain is what makes Chabobo different from any other centers. Because of Breast Mountain, and you are coming for excursion, a whole Christmas that today is supposed to visit friends and get rice. You brought me here. You said to go to Waterfall.
Well, lie. Because this morning I took my decision.
I know go.
I was thinking.
Yes, me and you chat. Me and you chat
about the breast. How it will look like.
You know, me and you chat like last night. In the evening, I go pay late in the evening.
After a long debate, we finally decided to explore the Chabobo waterfalls. This is the Breast Mountain, and we could get a view of it before we proceed to the waterfalls. Mr. Xavier was our tour guide, and he gave us some safety tips before we started our hike to the waterfalls. The waterfalls is a 5 kilometers walk from the Chabobo camp.
It's not easy, guys. We've been walking for over 1 hour now, and we are still nowhere. Our tour guide is saying we are just in the middle, and I'm tired. Yeah, easy.
Some people almost gave up on the way, but we made it. After about 2 hours of hiking, we finally arrived at the Chabobo waterfalls. There was a lot of fun and excitement after we arrived at the waterfalls. This is part 1 of the video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all as we bring you part 2. In part 2, we will tell you about how the waterfalls was discovered and about our visit to Shiari, the hanging village, also in the Nkwanta municipality. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, like this video and share for more exciting content like this. My name is Kwame Bless Wings. You can call me Wings for short. See you in the next video. Bye.